All right, so I'm getting a lot of messages on Classroom about how to insert pictures or you're having trouble with it. So I just wanted to show you quick. So you would just open it up, the activity, Google Slides. Up here, you can go to Insert, Image. You could search the web. So right here, I did transparent coffee cup. So transparent just means there's not going to be a background. So if you want it to look like it's actually like sitting in the locker, then you would just drag it over and then obviously resize it. So you can just look up anything like transparent. Oh, I don't know. Let's do football. Okay, so you have a transparent football. So there's no background to it. So it looks like it's, sitting in the locker, resize it. Or you could come up here, go to insert image. You can upload from your computer. So, I mean, I have pictures saved, my kids or whatever it is. I have no idea who that is. That is not my child. So you could do actual like real picture also. And then for the Bitmoji, that's an extension on Chrome. So you would have to get the extension first, go up to your extension menu. I have Bitmoji. I can do this one, copy and paste. And then you would just put it wherever you want. All right, so that is the easiest way to do pictures, I think. And again, you just, any picture you want with no background, just write the word transparent in front of it and it should come up, where it looks like it's actually sitting in the locker. If not a huge deal. I'm more looking to trying to get to know you. So if the picture has a background, it's not like you're going to get points off for that. Okay, any questions though? Message me again on Classroom.